Alif Layla, a TV series that was aired on DD National in the year 1993. This TV series was produced by Sagar Arts. It was based on 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights book. And these stories give the message of kindness, humanity, beliefs in God, and respect for elders. And stories were told by Queen Shahrazad to Sultan Shahryar. So let's check out how the star cast of this TV series have changed in these years. Girja Shankar as King Shahryar. Then his age was 33 and now he is 65. Damni Shetty as Queen Shahrazad. Then she was 27 and now her age is 59. Shweta Rastogi as Zubaida. Then she was 15 and now her age is 47. Mulraj Razda as Hakim Doban. Then his age was 62, died in 2012 at the age of 80. Palomi Mukherjee as Shahzmani. Then her age was 21 and now she is 54. Tarkesh Chauhan as Jalal Talib. Then his age was 37 and now he is 69. Mona Parekh as Princess Tayyaba. Then her age was 21 and now she is 54. Lata Haya as Hamira. Then she was 28 and now her age is 60. R.K. Datta as Chima Deo. Then his age was 31 and now he is 63. Sulakshna Khatri as Asjar Salatia. Then her age was 27 and now she is 58. Shahnawaz as Sindbad. Then his age was 30, died in 2023 at the age of 59. Pramod Kapoor as Prince Gulfam. Then he was 32 and now his age is 64. Swati Anand as Sharara Gul. Then she was 25 and now her age is 57. Navdeep Singh as Aladdin. Then his age was 20 and now he is 53. Neela Patel as Aladdin's mother. Then she was 31 and now her age is 63. Dayal Singh as Qayamat Jinn. Then his age was 32 and now he is 64. Papia Sen Gupta as Princess Gulaf Shah. Then she was 16 and now her age is 49. Sunil Pandey as Sabir Ahmed. Then his age was 31 and now he is 63. Vilas Raj as Keherman. Then his age was 39. The year of his death and his age is not available. Jharna Dave as Zubaida. Then she was 25 and now her age is 57. Neha Grewal as Hina Pari. Then she was 23 and now her age is 55. Pinky Parekh as Marjina. Then she was 24 and now her age is 56. Feroz Ali as Shehzad Afaq. Then his age was 24 and now he is 56. Sunil Nagar as King of Negaristan. Then his age was 29 and now he is 61. Aslam Khan in various roles. Then his age was 32 and now he is 64.